In this video, I'm going to show you a full step-by-step Amazon FBA shipment tutorial in just 5 minutes to show you guys the entire process, how much shipping costs, the different labeling processes, how to actually list your products on Amazon, and everything in between. Back to school's coming up, Prime Day is coming up. You need to be pumping in inventory to Amazon FBA right now, and this video is going to be the full guide. Let's get right into it. By far, the easiest way to create Amazon FBA shipments in 2025 is going to be using our shipment software, Boxom. It just makes the listing process significantly easier and the actual Amazon FBA shipment process. So let's walk through everything you need to know about it right here. So to start off, when you do shipments through Boxom, it connects right to your Amazon seller account right when you get a free trial right there. So you can do it everything through Boxom. You don't need to do anything actually on Amazon Seller Central. Other shipment softwares, you need to go back and forth. With Boxom, we made it so it's entirely just through Boxom right here. Boxom is helpful for listing products for both FBM and FBA, as well as FBA shipments. You can't buy shipping for FBM orders through Boxom. You're going to do that through Amazon Seller Central here. So to start off, once you actually get your Amazon account synced to Boxom, all you need to do is go here to list FBA in inventory, and then now we can add our products to our inventory, which is step 1 right here. So we can literally just search different products up right here. So we could search different stuff in here, lightning quick on the search, or just paste in the Amazon standard identification number of a specific product right here. And now we just want to go ahead and hit new SKU right here, and we're going to add this to our inventory right here. So listing this product here, so for our list price, just want to keep it where it is right there. Buy cost, we can go ahead and put in our buy cost right there. Supplier, we can go ahead and enter in a new one, or just put JCPenney's, for example, which is where Stafford stuff comes from here. Date purchased, we want to go ahead here. Boom, and this makes sense, guys, for retail arbitrage, wholesale, private label, literally anyone shipping products to Amazon FBA. And then our condition right here, and then our SKU automatically adds in with our supplier and our buy cost based on your settings right there. If there was an expiration date, you'd add it in right there as well. And you want to go ahead and here, add listing, right? And then we could do multiple products, listing them at the same time right here. We're also adding a bulk import feature as well soon too. But literally, that's all we need to do from here. Now we just want to go ahead here and hit submit FBA listings right here and wait 15 to 30 minutes for this to actually get added to our inventory right here. Check in with you guys in a sec. All right, guys, so now we can see this listing is fully active right here. It says active up in the top right. And now all we need to do is go to shipment and then create shipment to start the shipment process. All right, guys, so now we're here in the create shipment page. We have to name our shipment. First things first, this isn't public, obviously, so you can literally name whatever you want. So we'll call it 5 minutes. Video test, fulfillment type FBA, ship from address. This is you. This is not the UPS address you drop off right here. This is just you right here. Amazon knows about prep centers using Boxom and everything, so you can add a new address. It's nice and easy right here. Shipping method SPD. Box contents will do Boxom provided. I do love 2D barcodes as well, but just for this example, we'll do Boxom provided right here. We want to do all these SKU options as well. Now we want to go ahead and hit create shipment right here. And now we can go ahead and search once again, or we can go ahead and just add in our SKUs right here. I'm going to do multiple ASINs for this example right here. Then we just want to go ahead and hit add quantity right here. Boom, we can go ahead and do our supplier as well right there. Boom, we can look up a different Stafford ASIN in here as well. Boom, we'll pop these guys in too. Plug in 10 of those, supplier, boom, JCPenney as well. Just hit add to shipment. Want to make sure prep category, prep owner label on our Amazon provided seller and seller right here as well. Now we can do a bunch of different products in the batch right here, but for this example, we're just going to do just these two. Go ahead and hit continue, submit products. Let's move on to step 2. All right, guys, here in step 2, where we prep and box them, this is where we create the box as well as assign the products to the boxes and print our SKU labels right here. So to start off, I like to just go over to create boxes right here. We'll just go ahead and say we have, 5 boxes right here, which create 4 new ones right here as well. Then just go here and select all boxes, because the easiest way is just to bulk assign them all right here. And then we'll just go ahead and hit assign all SKUs right here. And then we can see 10 to 10 right here, 10 to 10 right here. We could select different boxes if we wanted to as well. Easiest just to go ahead here, select all boxes right there, just hit assign. Boom, now those all zap out to the boxes right here, nice and easy. And then we can go ahead here and print all our F and SKU labels. So we could click right here, or we can just go ahead here and hit print, and then we can print F and SKU labels right here. Then that pops up the labels that go on the outside of the poly bag you use, or just the barcode. You can just get a variety pack poly bags to start off right there. A couple other advanced settings you can do, like different printers right here or other labels right here. Most products aren't going to need these though right here as well. So now I print out those F and SKU labels, and just go ahead and hit continue, move on to submit packing groups right here, and move on to finish off with the shipping labels and the box labels. All right, guys, here in step 3 for confirm shipments, a few minutes later after just letting it load right here. Here you're going to see the different options of warehouses to go ahead and ship to. Pretty much always you just want to do the cheapest option right here, which we can see is actually the optimized placement, which spreads it out over a couple different warehouses here. For the most part, the cheapest option is going to be just one warehouse, but on this shipment, it's actually not right here. So this actually spreads it out nicely across different parts of the country here. So we can see like Indiana, as well as New Jersey, Memphis right here, even one going out to California right there. So we just select the cheapest option right here, go ahead and continue right here, and then we go ahead, confirm placement option, and accept shipment charge right here. Now I'll print those labels. All right, guys, and now we just want to finish up right here. So for each of these different shipments right here, we can see just different warehouses they're going to right here, 3 out of 5, 1 out of 5, etc., etc. Right there, we just go ahead and hit print UPS box labels right there. So this is the box label as well as the shipment label. Both these go on the outside of the box right there. So you just do this for each of these different shipment options right there on each of the boxes you're sending out. And then you're good to go. There's nothing else needed to be done from you. There's no confirming. There's no going over to Seller Central or anything like that. If for whatever reason you did need to cancel the shipment, you can go ahead here and hit cancel all shipments as well there too. But from there, you're literally good to go. That's the entire FBA shipment process in just a couple minutes, guys. If you want the full step-by-step in the entire Amazon online arbitrage business model, I'll leave my free course linked on the video right here, as well as linked in the description right there. Make sure you try Boxom for 2 weeks completely free. If you got any questions, let me know down below in the comments. See you guys in the next one. Thanks so much for watching.